Hello guys, today we make sourdough bread with our homemade sourdough. For this recipe we need 150 grams of sourdough, 350 grams of bread flour, 150 grams of whole wheat flour, 340 grams of water, 10 grams of salt, and here in the flour I will add 5 grams of sugar. We take 2 tablespoons of the water and we put with the salt. We will add the salt at the end. After we add here in the water our sourdough, we stir until it's melted. After we add half of the flour, stir again. When it's melted also the flour, we can say, we complete with the remaining flour. We work our dough 5, 8, 10 minutes. Should be very smooth, we can say. After we cover and we should wait 30 minutes. After 30 minutes we work again our dough, adding the water with the salt. So after 30 minutes we add the salt, we work our dough again very well, we cover and we wait other 30 minutes. And every 30 minutes we work our dough for at least 3-4 times. For me today is easy, I'm at home working on the computer, editing the video for you. If you are working outside of your house, so in the morning you leave your house and come back in the evening, you can add the salt, work the dough, cover with a plastic wrap and store in the fridge until the evening when you come back at home. At the evening you need to only fold the dough like I will show you later. Up to you. After that we fold for the last time our dough, we put directly in a kitchen towel where we have put a little bit of flour. So you take a container, this is a baking pot, you can use a basket like I used in the last video about the bread. You put the towel inside. Now I will put the flour, the dough, a little bit of flour again, we cover and we should wait more or less 2 hours. When our dough doubled, we put a little bit of flour on a baking pot, put the dough in the baking pot, flour on the top, we make some decoration, and we bake in the oven preheated at 230 Celsius degree. Inside the oven I put already a pot with a little bit of water, because at the beginning we need humidity, and after 15-20 minutes we will remove the water. Ta-da! After 15 minutes at 230 Celsius degree, I remove the water, I drop the temperature to 180 Celsius degree, and I baked my bread for 18 minutes. The last 3 minutes I cover the bread, because my oven is long and short, so the grill is too close to the bread. Every time I risk to burn it. Now we should wait that cool down. If you cut when it's very hot, you spoil it, so please be careful. See you later for the tasting. Really spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some advice, please always down in the comments. I want to show you again that it's very crunchy. And crunchy outside, soft inside. Bye bye.